Hey guys, it's Hima here, and I've got a skinny dip for you looking at the SPY ETF. Today's Monday, February 10th, 2020. Now, before we look at the charts, important reminder that trading and investing can be extremely risky business. Therefore, it's your responsibility to evaluate any information, opinion, advice, or other content contained in this video. All right, so here's the deal. I put out my first ever set of skinny market outlooks. This covers 20 markets, ETFs, FX, and more, back on Thanksgiving weekend. That's this gray vertical line right here. Specifically, November 29th is when I highlighted what was going on the SPY, all right? And back on November 29th, I said that my forecasting techniques were showing me that February 7th, which was just this past Friday, was a key timing point for this market. And I want you to look at how we rallied, dipped, and then rallied again into that time, and we've been going a little bit sideways, a little bit wonky since. Now, the current price action shows a potential inflection point in the SPY, meaning we're at a decision point in this market. Can we really ramp up and get up to new all-time high levels? Or are we in a process of distribution and selling that's just going to take a little time, and then we start to see the SPY roll down again? So in the latest Skinny Market Outlook, I have covered the latest update on the SPY. I did this report on February 6th, updated all the other 20 markets as well. And if you want to know how to get a copy of those, keep an eye on your email and make sure you come to my next live training where I'll talk more about this. And in the Skinny Market Outlook that you will get and you'll know about after you come to that training, you'll see that I have 4 specific resistance levels. I'll give you one right now, and that's 337.79. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. If price breaks higher, how high may it go from there? Well, my resistance levels were pretty useful in the past, so they're likely to be again in the future. As for support, what is maintaining this bullish structure, I go into detail on that in the report, so you want to take a look. So important reminder to always be looking at forecasting on your markets. That's the meeting of time and price. I'm going to be talking more in my next live training about how I do that. And look at how price, time, and momentum all move together. Take a look back at the RSI power zones here. Lifted up after getting really close to the bull support power zone, rallied, didn't quite make it to the bull resistance power zone, but then came back into the bull support power zone before trying to turn up once again. And the current momentum action also feeds into this inflection point that I'm talking about. Okay, so SPY is at a really critical time. It's really important to monitor short-term levels. I cover short-term futures levels on the ES every day in the Skinny and the Mini. And like I said, my latest set of Skinny Market Outlooks is covering the SPY and 19 other markets. All right, catch you soon. You can sign up at himareddy.com/gift to get my hot, timely, actionable updates as soon as I publish right to your inbox.